Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, tailgate step, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.